Hello and welcome my friend, and today I am planning to show you that how works this Tesla Model 3's door locks emergency switch and cable. And this is really this emergency cable, and next we can see that how this switch really works. And we have second picture that how this handle works in our this door. And let's go to look that inner door handle next. Okay, and now when we know that if we have emergency situation, and in Tesla it means that this our car's electricity is off and computer is off, and we can't anymore open our doors. And this is really bad situation in electric car. If we like our car goes to ocean or lake, and then this our Tesla becomes submarine, and that's we have to open these Tesla's doors really fast. And this is really door lock, and this is the key component, and this cable goes to this door handle. What we have to move in, like in this previous video, that we move this part in this way. And what this movement makes, we have to go in this lock area, and normally these Tesla's doors opens by electric. There is electric motor inside, and soon you will see that. But normally when doors are like lock, this is lock switch. Now I show that how doors go lock in that way. And now in this situation our doors are locked, and in emergency case we have to open this door without power, without electricity. And that's we have this manual this cable, and when we switch this door handle, look, this area opens soon. Now I move that, look, now this opens. And that means that when this I lock this door again, and we can see again this thing, now it's better, and we can go to look closer. Nice view. And now when we emergency case move this part, look, this switch opens and same time door opens. Now I pull that cable. Yes, everything okay. And after that I can open the car door. Very nice. And in that case this my Tesla's lock work well. But now we go to look inside that how this thing really works. And let's go to look soon this inner area. Okay, and this door lock opening happens so that firstly we remove that white plastic cover, and there are two screws in here. I open those first. Okay, and these screws open by this this T15, this that type of tool head, T15, T115, and it fits in here. And I remove, there is two screws, and I use my electric driver. There is second. Okay, cool. And there are those long bolts. now we can next I can remove, this is only plastic like weather cover, and next we open these screws. One is in here, and let's see that is the same. Yes, it is same type. We can open also that. Now it opens. We check that is there any another screws. No, in here. And let's check in also that area. No, in here. Good. And next one is that we have to open these plastic small plastic clips, and let's open those. And these plastics clips are easy to open when we have flathead screwdriver, and we install that in this way. And that is open. And then second one is in the another side. In here we can see there are two of in here. Carefully, and we can let this tool in here like in keeping that way, and then there is final one in here. And now we have to carefully bend. Okay, now I broke one of these, look. And this is one of these. Now it's broken because they are really thin. But this is not the catastrophe, because we can use this glue when we assemble that. Okay, and now these are in here. And now I carefully bend, I separate these things. This was not damaged. And then carefully I look these sides, and now I have to take away this outer part. Normally these things opens, and now I work a little bit carefully that I can remove this white part. And now this lock is made so that there are two of these rivets in here and here, what are compressed like in pop rivets in here, and I have to now drill out these bolts in here that I can open, this one and this one. And also this cable, this is easy to release in here. This is this emergency cable in here, and this part is easy to remove. But now we have to really drill these two bolts away. And I think that I use my cutting device, because later I have to install in here two bolts that I can connect and assemble these parts back. Okay, and now I have drilled these rivets away, and after that I can move these parts like this lock. Now I check that there is one rivet. Now this part opens in here, and in that position we have to be really carefully that when we are looking at how these parts goes, there is this one part that is in the central area, and now this outer metallic part opens, and in here we can see this is this like this door lock switch in here. Now we have to only check that in what position it was. Okay, this is in here. Okay, now we look. Now we can see that there is this. Actually, this is this shaft, and then small plastic part in here. And now we can see that when we install this back, we have to repair this, and now we can go in inner area that we look at what is this inside area. And now I remove this white part in here, and we have this upper steel part, and there is one rivet left in here, and I have to drill out this final rivet in here. Okay, and now I have made in here drill, and now I can remove this steel plate in here, what keeps these parts like together. And now I can open this part carefully. And of course there is one small rivet in here. Okay. Okay, and now we can carefully open that and look inside. Yes, this cover is free, and now we can see there is one part, and now we can see in there inside, and there is really this Tesla's electric motor in here. And now we can see that when we move this our door handle, then this electric motor moves and it rotates this white wheel. And now I take this motor a little bit away, because this is like normal. There is even maker made in Vietnam, and there is code in here that if you like to purchase, if you visit in Vietnam, you can see that there is this product code, and you can purchase this part by internet if this electric motor is damaged. But now we can see that how this system works. When we switch this door handle or we open this wheel moves, and it then moves this part in here. Let's look at how they take contact. Yes, in here when I remove that part, we can see that there are those positions, and this shape, it makes that this part moves in here, that below part, this one, that one. there is this shape, and it fits in this area in here. And when our door opens, this electric motor moves this way in that one. So easy. And now when we know that how this system works, we can repair this Tesla's lock by self. If you have any issues, you can open that and you can replace this electric motor, or then you can do this new, you can do that new feel like 3D printer. And this is really basic modern lock, electric lock. Okay, that kind of information to you.